To RS English classes. I am Ravi Shankar Yadav from RS English classes. On this day, I will tell you how to speak English. Friends, as you know, English is a foreign language, and for this, every students will have to do hard work. And if you want to learn English, then first of all, you will have to follow the idea of LSRW. 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 Do you know what is LSRW? It means L means listening. Okay? Alright. S means speaking. And R means reading. And W means writing. Then for this you will have to focus. Then you are able to speak English. Okay? So on this day I would like to appeal to all viewers, all subscribers. Then you can also speak English. I have given a lot of videos of grammar and other activities. So friends, you should do practice, because only you can speak English, then you will do practice. And the important thing is that you should learn vocab. What is vocab? Vocab is vocabulary, because you know that English is foreign language, and if you don't know the meaning of conjunce, then how can you say he is miser? Okay, so for this, if you don't know the meaning of joke, okay, then how can you say that it is leech? Leech means joke. So the important thing is that you will have to learn vocab, and you will have to do practice, and you will try to speak in front of public. If you try to speak in front of public, then you can speak, although you can do some mistakes, but you will have to show patience. Patience is important. And failures teach us that we are doing some mistake, and in the next time we should try to remove these mistakes, and then we can speak English. Friends, as you know, RS English classes is always with you, and I am trying to teach English in my every video. So on this day, I am going to give you mantra of how to speak English. For this, you should clear your all tenses and modals, because without knowing modals, correct use of modals as, may, might, can, could, would, should, dare, need. Okay? So if you know all these things, you are able to speak English. Okay? And you should also watch English movie. Okay? Because in English movie you can see a person who are speaking English, and then you can also try to speak English after seeing that person. Even most of the movies you can search on YouTube, then you can find many movies, dubbed movies like Rishta, and other movies. If you search English dubbed movie, then you can find it easily. And you should try to listen carefully. Suppose you don't know meaning of any particular word, then you can search it in dictionary and then you can find. For this, you should buy an Oxford dictionary or any other dictionary. If you have no dictionary, then you can download app, Hinko's app. Okay, then you can search it and you can find. Friends, you should also try to read English. For this, you can buy Champat. Okay, and you should try to learn. You should try to read story, simple story. Then you can establish your pronunciation. Okay, because pronunciation should be clear. If you don't speak good way, then I think you cannot make good impression upon anybody. So friends, you should try to read, and for practice you should select a friend and you should try to talk to that person English to English. Okay, although first time you will do some mistake, but gradually you will improve your English and one day you will be able to speak English perfectly. मित्रों, मैं कहना चाहूंगा, एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होता, एक दिन जरूर होता है. This is concept. So don't give up. You should try. You should try to do practice. Only practice can improve your hesitation. Although in India there is no atmosphere of English, even there are more and more English medium schools, but in these schools teachers do not teach how to speak English. They only teach in the class to their subject, but even they do not force to student that you should speak English. So I think for this you should try to extra effort, then you can speak English. So join my channel and follow my advice. One day you will speak English. I hope, guys, friends. So I hope you will follow my advice, friends. So I am Ravi sir from RS English classes. Once again, I appeal that you will follow my advice and you will do practice, then you can speak English. So thanks for watching my videos.